Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow.
So we'll start by cutting our pineapple into smaller sizes. This is ripe pineapple. This size is okay. Cut into smaller sizes. After cutting your pineapple, we need a cooking pot. Place your cooking pot on fire. You add handful of lemongrass. This is lemongrass. Then ginseng, a teaspoon of your ginseng. A handful of hibiscus flower. Next is cloves bud, a teaspoon of your cloves bud. A teaspoon is okay. Then next we need beetroot powder. You can get beetroot powder by grating your fresh beetroot, sun dry, and you blend into powder form. It's as easy as that. You add your pineapple. Then we'll be needing 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. The first cup and the second cup. You can choose to add more water if you like, but I prefer adding 2 cups of water. You stir to combine, then cover and allow to boil for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. So while we wait for it to boil, let's run through the benefit of our ingredients. Hibiscus flower improves digestion, fights inflammation, boosts the energy level, and also fights bacteria. Ginseng helps in reducing inflammation, improve the brain function, boost immunity, help with erectile dysfunction. Cloves is high in antioxidants. It improves the liver health, promote the bone health. Lemongrass help with digestion, anxiety, lower cholesterol, reduce pain in the body, and boost our energy level. Beetroot also help to boost the energy level, help with bone health, contain anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapple help to fight inflammation, aid digestion, relieve arthritis pain, and promote tissue healings. You can see our pot is packed with nutrients, mineral, and vitamins. Yeah, after taking this drink, your body will thank you. I'm not capping, your body will thank you. So allow to boil for 45 minutes. Allow to boil for 45 minutes maximum. Our drink is ready. Can you see the color? Can you see the color? So beautiful. Have you subscribed? What are you waiting for, guys? Subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Yeah, I do videos on health, on fertility, and on weight loss. Your body will always thank you after taking this amazing drink. So guys, after cooling down, don't allow it to cool completely. We'll be taking it warm. You sieve into your cup. Sieve into your cup. Yeah, we are good to go. Our drink is ready. So instruction: take 1 cup daily. You can either take it in the morning or at night, but I prefer taking mine at night after coming back from work, feeling tired. I prepare it and drink, and I'll feel more energized. It will also help you to sleep like a baby. Yeah, guys, after taking this drink, your body will thank you. You will feel great. It does so wonders in our body. Yeah, so please support me. Just subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. You can check out my other videos. So thank you for watching. Bye.